Welcome to the informative me HUAWEI Nova temper, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here we'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute a ringtone we should hold and swipe to the left side this volume panel. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first here in volume button function, select ringtone, not media. And now just by press to the up down volume button on the right side of our phone, we can also mute our device ringtone. And we can make it by the third way, just by press up or down volume button and then just by slide to the down this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.